Whoa, that one was cool. See if this next one comes up.
In front.
Oh, wow. That one was amazing. Okay, we're in the streets. Oh my god. Oh, cool. No.
Another one, another one.
I barely caught that one. Oh, catching
They're
those
nice.
ones.
You can get them ones, can you?
Yeah, I can get them.
Do you want to get this side? Or no, you'd probably be better that side, didn't you?
Yeah. Scoop-dee whoop. Scoopity doopity whoop.
Oh, we've seen quite a few, haven't we?
Yeah. Where was that one?
No. I heard it, but
If it's
didn't see it.
Okay, let's see if we can see some more.
In front.
Oh, that was bad. They're still going. Bro, that's so cool. And this is not effects, guys. This is real fireworks.
Oh, people. It went light above us then.
Still going.
That's a good one, isn't it?
That was the biggest batch we've seen yet.
To the right. Missed it.
Damn it. See if that's it, guys.
People are going to be... You're not recording here.
I am.
Oh.
Why? All they can see is the fireworks.
Yeah, I won't put it on Facebook. People are going to be at firework displays taking loads.
It's not much gonna put it on YouTube.
Does it keep getting light out there, or does it move?
I hear them, but I don't see them.
No.
God, my foot's itchy. But I swear, if I look away, it goes over to itch my foot. Oh,
I heard it.
I heard it as well. It was like, boom.
Why do you never want to go to firework displays when I say to you?
I feel like I'm the better at home.
But you can see so much more if you're at an display.
Yeah.
There was one up Chalk Hill Blue tonight we could have gone to. It's because when we go out, you're too far away from the food, isn't it?
And PS5. That might be it. She's going to keep going for a few more minutes.
That might have been, that last one might have been the finale.
Could have been.
Oh, no, it's another one.
That one was cool. Maybe that was the finale, and now they're getting ready. We're going for 5 more minutes, guys.
Oh!
As I was saying, we're going for 5, 4, 2 more. Actually, 2 more minutes.
You can't put that on Facebook. Another one.
YouTube, actually.
Or YouTube, because there's going to be so many people displays putting stuff on there. In fact, we'll probably go on YouTube later and watch what everyone else has done. Look, in front.
It's probably going to be one more. There's one more. So.
Not
Oh,
one.
oh.
He thinks there's hundreds of pounds worth going up in these fireworks. Some of them cost about a tenner each.
That would be good price for fireworks.
Another one.
Could be the finale.
No, I thought the last one was. Another one.
Gee, they're putting out a lot of fireworks. If anyone's watching this. Yeah, we're going on for another 20 more seconds.
King Arthur's is the place to go. That's over that side of the woods. They
Yeah.
have loads, don't they?
Mhm. Just beat the time record. What?
I was watching the car. I think they're all finished now.
Yeah. Okay, that's the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button down below. See you in the next one. And I guess, subscribe.